In the meantime, in Washington, the White House trying to revive health care negotiations, but for some lawmakers, it might be a tough sell back home. As another round of town hall events turn a bit hostile, Democratic Senator Dianne Feinstein, screen right, Republican Congressman Jeff Denham, screen left, faced a group back home in California.
Could we have your attention, please?
I have expressed to leadership that I am a no on the health care vote until it is responsive to my community.
Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel picks up coverage from there. Mike, good day to you. Quiet day in D.C. What's happening on this front with regard to health care and what folks are hearing back home?
Well, Bill, the White House and Republican allies in the House would love to put points on the board by passing a repeal and replacement plan for Obamacare. It would keep a campaign promise Republicans have made since the 2010 campaign cycle. But getting there isn't easy when you have Republican lawmakers representing districts that Hillary Clinton won in the election. And then you have conservatives like Mark Meadows, who leads the Freedom Caucus. His group would like to strip out some of the aspects driving up costs. But if you remove protection for pre-existing conditions, you risk losing moderate support. A prominent Senate conservative told his constituents he's trying to be helpful in getting a deal.
I've also got real credibility with leadership in Congress and with the administration. And so the role I'm trying to play is bring people together and focus on where do we have common ground, on repealing Obamacare, where are we on the same page.
Vice President Mike Pence has been heavily involved. He spent a whole lot of time on Capitol Hill right before lawmakers left for recess. And I'm told conversations continue between top White House officials and key lawmakers trying to get to 216 votes to pass a bill in the House. Speaker Paul Ryan took a lot of heat for the initial Republican health care plan, which some in his own party called Obamacare Light. A senior Republican aide says Ryan and his team are evaluating every new proposal to make sure it fits Senate rules and does not lose moderate support. When lawmakers return next week, a different issue, funding the government, will quickly become a priority. They must address that by the end of the month.
Good deal.
Bill?
Thank you, Mike. Going to be a busy next 2 weeks, isn't it? Mike Emanuel there in Washington. Thank you, sir.